Have a nice day, everyone. In this video, I will explain the Lab 1 or data exploration to you.
For the first cell box, this, when you write import pandas SPD in Python, you're essentially telling Python to bring in for called pandas, which is incredibly helpful for working with data. If about data, when you use data equals pd.read underscore csv, you're telling the Python to open a CSV file or a simple file format where data is separated by commas and load that data into something called a data frame. For the data columns, the line data columns equals Python is used to assign new columns of pandas or data frame like this. And lastly, the data head function in pandas is like taking a quick peek at the start of your data. Imagine you have a huge data set, but you just want to say the first few entries to get an idea of what it looks like. That exactly data head does. It shows you the first few rows, typically 5, so you can quickly check if everything looks right without scrolling through the entire data set. And this is the output. For the second cell box, for the line import underscore is numeric date type to check if a column in a data frame contains numeric data like integers or floats. Then for it loops through numeric columns, calculating and printing their mean, standard, minimum, standard deviation, minimum, and maximum values for quick analysis. And after this is the result. For the third cell box, which is data class value underscore counts. This is how often each unique value occurs in the class column, showing the distribution. This is the result or output. And for the fourth cell box, data that describe open close and open parentheses include equals all, or it generates summary statistic for all columns covering both numeric data mean, max, and categorical data like unique and top. Then for the fifth cell box, which is print open parentheses covariance, or it prints a label to indicate that the following output will show the covariance values, improving clarity. For the data, this code calculates the covariance matrix for the columns like sepal link, sepal width, petal link, petal width in the data frame, and this is the output. For the sixth cell box, which is print open cos and open parentheses correlation, or prints the label correlation to indicate that the following output will show correlation values, and this is the result, same as the then for the seventh cell box, which is matplot and line. It ensures a Frederick Lane the Jupyter Notebook. Then, or these codes create a histogram for the sepal link column in the data frame, and this is the output. Data box plot for the 8 cell box, which is data.box plot. This code creates a box plot for the entire data frame, and this is the output, which contain a sepal link, sepal width, fetal link, and fetal width. And for the 9th cell box, import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. This code imports the matplot libraries pyplot, module, and gives it the alias PLT and here. Or this code generates a grid of scatter plots for all unique pairs of the first 4 columns in the data frame with labeled access, and this is the output. And last cell box, from pandas, the plotting import parallel coordinates matplot inline. Or this code creates a parallel coordinates plot of the data frame with lines colored by the class column, and this is the output, which contain a class column like sepal link, sepal width, fetal link, and fetal width.
Thank you for watching this video, and see you for the next one.